Hello and welcome back to the channel CAD Modeling. In this session, we are going to learn about how to draw a fridge bottle using Fusion 360. So in order to draw this bottle, what we need to do is, we'll start a new drawing. To create this bottle, we start with a 2D drawing of the bottle. We select the plane to be XY plane. To do this whole thing by using revolve command. So in order to revolve, we need to draw a profile. We need to draw the 2D sketch first. So let's get on with it. First, we would draw a line. Click on the center point. Draw a line of 300 mm. That is a dimension of my bottle that I am using, 300 mm. So there we go. There is the line. Then to draw the profile, I'll draw a line from here to a distance of 40 mm. Then again a line from here. I don't know the height yet, so I would first put a point. Click on create and go to point. Create a point anywhere in between and then set the dimension between this and this point to be 250 mm. So here is the point or the neck of the bottle. So if I want to create something on this, on neck, we would create a line of, let's say, 30 mm. Okay, now join these 2 points from here to here. So here is the outer line. Then again I need to draw the neck of the bottle. To draw the neck of the bottle, draw a line from here up to a distance of 15 mm. Click enter. Then again a line from here to the base point of this line. Then by using the trim command, we can trim this unnecessary part. So here we have the outline which we require. Finish a sketch. Now we need to revolve this whole object. Now we need to select the profile. This is the profile we selected. Then axis, we want to revolve about this axis. Click OK. So there we have the rough outline of the body. Now what we need to do is we need to shell this down. Shell this down means we need to make it hollow. In order to make it hollow, select this face. We need to shell this, select this shell command, and we would like to shell it by the thickness of the bottle. We want it to be 2 mm. Click OK. So it is shelled down. Okay, so the bottle is now hollow. Now the next part that we need to do is we need to put threads on it. In order to put the threads, go to this thread, select this face to be threaded. We don't want the full length to be threaded. We want length of 20 mm to be threaded, which is 10 mm from let's say 20 mm from the top. Let's say okay, 20 mm from the top. Select this as unified screw threads and click OK. So there we have the thread. Now we need these are very pointy edges. We need to fillet these as well. Select this fillet command. Select this first edge. Select this second edge, this outer edge, and then fillet it by 1 mm maybe. Okay, let's try then 2 mm looks okay. Why it looks okay? This looks just fine. Okay, so there we have the bottle. In order to draw the cap of the bottle, we again go to the sketch. We select this face to draw the sketch. Then we draw a circle. From here we draw a circle. So the diameter of the circle can be of 60 mm, and we would draw another circle, concentric circle of 40 mm. Now what we need to do is in order to make this a particular shape of the bottle cap, we need to extrude this part. We would click on finish sketch, click on the extrude this outer face to a height of, let's say we want a height of 45 mm. So let's extrude this upward by 45 mm. Okay, so there we have it. Now we don't want this shape to be here. we want it hollow, then again go to this shell command, use this face, shell it by let's say 2 mm. Let's check it out. This looks good. Okay, now we need to make threads also. Now it is hollow from here. We don't want it to be hollow. In order to make it solid, what we need to do is go to this sketches, click on these sketches, click off the body. We have this again. Then click extrude, extrude this face by a distance of, let's say by a distance of 2 mm. Then you can turn on the body. Now you can see that it is solid from this side also. Now we make the threads again. In order to make the threads, go to the create and click on threads. Inside, we want the threads to be inside. Click inside. Check out this full length and give the length to be 20 mm as we gave there, and it should be from 10 mm from the top. It should be from 20 mm from the top for this matter, so that it fits well 10 mm. Okay, and select this to be screw threaded, and everything else looks good. Click OK. So there we have the thread as well and the bottle as well. So this is how we made a bottle in Fusion 360. Again, if you like the video, do like and share this video, and also subscribe to this channel for any future content. Have a good day.